if you're running a personal brand or a business and your systems feel kind of all over the place. This is for you. I'm going to walk through the exact Notion page that I use to clean up everything from content to lead generation to sales, onboarding, literally all of it. You'll be able to duplicate it, tweak it if you like, and even bring clarity to your business. So no fluff, let's jump right into it. Okay guys, let's give it a crack and give you some real valuable information. This is the Lifecycle Automation Audit Sheet that I've used for my clients and my businesses, also my personal brand, to find gaps within my automations, but also my clients' automations. This is going to be valuable to rate 5 stages that I've created from 1 to 5 and find the gaps where you have optimized it to its full potential or where you need to do some improvement. So let's get into the sheet. The first thing is a page that I've created. It's how to use this audit sheet. You can browse through it after this video if you have any other questions or not sure how to use this page. But for now, let's get back to the main part, and that's the automation audit sheet itself. In first place, you're going to have an automation score tracker. These are the 5 stages that I find really important. You can rate every stage from 1 to 5, whether it's not in place at all or fully optimized and implemented within your business. You have notes that you can add. You have a priority level that you can add as well. Is it for a high priority, medium or low? You have also a next step section where you can define every next step that you are going to implement to automate that certain part of your business stage. We also have a visible checklist, so you can toggle these open. There is going to be a couple of points within each toggle that you can read through. So for example, within the lead intake, you see the goal that the lead intake is for. And you have a checklist of a couple of automations that you can set up for it, and you can check mark it if it's optimized and implemented within your business. If it's not, you still need to work on it and you need to add that to your automation score track. So for example, web form integration with your CRM. You also can see the main tools that I use for it. For each stage, you also have a tip that can come in handy. So this is for lead intake. You also have that for lead qualification and so on and so forth. The next is recommended tools for each stage. You have a metrics that you can search in. So I have a couple of filters on it, and you can search by stage or you can search by tool. What can you do with this metric specifically? You can find what you want to do. For example, you want to automate lead intake or lead qualification or maybe post-sale feedback. You can find the tool that I use for automations within my business or for my clients. And also you have a use case, a link to the tool, and why I recommend this specific tool. And last but not least, you have a need help section, so you can reach out if you have any questions about optimizing your automations or now if you want to start spotting gaps in your own systems, you can download the Notion audit sheet I showed you today. It's linked below. And if you're improving things step by step, join the Small Steps Big Impact community. That's where I share more tools, templates, and behind the scenes stuff I actually use to grow my own personal brand and businesses. Thank you for watching, and as you know, let's make progress together.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the